Hi guys, welcome to Gabe in the Kitchen. Let us show you how to make the most perfect pumpkin cheesecake for this autumn with your own homemade pumpkin puree. Let's go. So we are going to start with the biscuit base. What you need to do is get 250 grams of Biscoff. Can be any brand you want. So guys, you're going to pop your 250 grams into a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, that's fine. You can just get like a bag and a rolling pin and just, smash away. And all we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna blitz this until it becomes a very fine powder. Oh. So this is what you're looking for, a nice fine powder, just like that. Tip out your biscuits into a bowl. And to my biscuit, I'm going to add 90 grams of melted butter. And then we're just gonna mix and make sure all the butter's incorporated. Grab an 8-inch cake tin, put our biscuit in there, and we're gonna press it down to make our base. So here's a tip for you guys. If you grab a glass, any glass, just so long as it's got a horizontal bottom. Now, can you clip that out?
A flat bottom.
That's what I meant to say. So long as it's got a flat bottom, and then just put it on horizontal and then do small circles. You don't have to push very hard to begin with, otherwise you might create cracks. Make sure to get in the groove of your cake tin as well, and then you can just even it up the sides. So you need to push a bit harder up the sides just to make them compact.
It's not bad. Well done.
Thank you. I'm just going to put this in the fridge for it to start setting. So now we're going to carry on making the filling, or we're going to start making the filling. So guys, we are starting with 454 grams of cream cheese. Pop that in your stand mixer, or you can mix this by hand. It's okay. It's okay. We have a nice clean surface.
Someone asked Jess why there's so much space between.
Oh, leave me alone. It's all in there.
Wow.
To that, we're going to add 213 grams of light brown sugar. Add our spices, so 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of allspice. Allspice is not the same as mixed spice. Allspice is one kind of spice that's been ground. Mixed spice is
it's an actual spice called allspice.
Yeah, like that thing right there.
So misleading. I mean, why would you name one spice allspice?
They hear you. Half a teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/8. We don't have an 1/8 teaspoon, so I'm just going to do half of a quarter, but this is of ground cloves. Okay guys, I'm just going to beat this on medium high for about 30 seconds. This is what you're looking for. You just want it to be nice and smooth. So guys, now would be a good time, I forgot to say, but we are cooking this pumpkin cheesecake in a bain-marie. Put on your kettle. Now guys, would be a good time to preheat your oven. If you want to turn it to 145 degrees C if you've got a fan oven. 300 Fahrenheit if you're a Fahrenheit girl.
So sexist. What the heck?
Oh, look at, okay.
It's literally a channel called Gabe in the Kitchen.
Gabriel,
Jeez Louise.
So get everything preheated, turn your kettle on, and now what we're going to do is, see this lovely pumpkin puree? If you guys want to learn how to make it, just click a video here, and here. We've got a shorts on how to make this. You'll need 227 grams of pumpkin puree. This guy is going to go right in there.
Also, pumpkin is so overrated. Anyone else agree with that? Leave in the comments, guys. Is pumpkin overrated? I think it's way overrated. It's like everyone looks forward to it in the air. Oh, autumn, it's this pumpkin season. Oh, let's make pumpkin stuff. But guys, it ain't that good. Pumpkin, in fact, I'd go as far as to say it's a little bit bland.
Yeah, again, guys, we're going to beat this on a medium heat just until it goes smooth again.
You say heat as well, don't you?
So guys, now I'm going to add 3 eggs to our lovely filling. Put my mixer on nice and low, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add these eggs one at a time. I guess he wants to go first. One at a time, she says. 2 fell in. And then last boy is going in with a bit more of whatever mixture we've got going on in here. There we go. Beautiful. Guys, this is la creme de la creme. Literally. So this is 151, what are you laughing at? 151 grams of heavy cream, and we're just going to pour that in nicely to our mixture.
Lovely. What have we got?
No, it might not look good now, but you wait till after it's baked, ladies and gents.
It looks good.
So I'm going to bang out some of the air from this mixture just to make sure that I don't get many cracks. And now I'm just going to pour it into my lovely base.
Lovely.
Okay, Jess has got this. Jess has got this.
Don't drop it.
Shh.
Shushing her husband. How rude.
Because this is a crucial step.
Crucial step, my ass. Don't overfill it. Don't overfill it. Don't overfill it.
So we've filled it in. All you're now going to do is just smooth out the top. So guys, that kettle we boiled from earlier, carefully, and I mean carefully, you don't want water going into your cheesecake. In your container, well, whatever you're putting it in, just to make a little bain-marie.
Steady.
Nice and gently.
Steady
as she goes.
Jess
Gabriel.
is very clumsy. It would be a shame if that just dropped, wouldn't it? If someone pushed you, I don't know.
And then in she goes. She is going to bake for 70 to 80 minutes. What you're looking for is when she's about finished, if you give her a jiggle, she should jiggle about once in the middle. If she jiggles quite a bit, she's under. If she doesn't jiggle at all, you've gone over. So you want a slight jig to the middle, but not too much. Okay guys, we're not done yet because this thing needs a topping. So what we're going to do is make a nice cream cheese frosting. So I've got 227 grams of cream cheese here.
But why not a pumpkin spice cream cheese topping?
We can do if you want. I've also got 113 grams of softened butter. I'm just going to plonk that in there.
But why not 300 grams of softened butter?
No, Gabriel. Honestly, don't listen to this man. And then all I'm going to do is sift 113 grams of icing sugar into here. And we're just going to beat it till it's nice and smooth.
And what if I don't want to sift my sugar?
Well, don't sift your sugar. You'll have bumps and lumps in there. Do you want lumps and bumps in there? I don't think so. So sift
That's
your
offensive
sugar.
to lumpy and bumpy people.
I'm a lumpy and bumpy person. I'm allowed to say that.
Is it supposed to be that lumpy? What is going on with this sugar?
And it's Aldi, isn't it? All I'm going to do is beat that together. There we go, guys. All mixed in. And I can't stress how much that your butter needs to be softened. Otherwise, you're going to be left with like big clumps of butter. It needs to be really soft. Last thing we're going to do is add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beautiful. So this is now just going to sit in your fridge just until your cheesecake finishes baking.
Tasty. Good. Tastes really good.
That's the cream cheese frosting is done. So do you see how there is a slight wobble, but she doesn't wobble like water?
Sure.
Can you see that? Yeah, that's what we want because she's going to keep cooking right after we take her out the oven. We don't want her to be too set. So you just want to leave her there to cool all the way down. Okay guys, so as you can see, well, you can't see, but she's sufficiently cooled down. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pipe a nice design with our cream cheese onto there to make it look beautiful.
Symmetry be damned. So much for simplicity is best, huh?
There we go, that looks nice. I don't know what you're talking
We're
about.
gonna do a love heart for the fans.
Shall we?
Yeah, there's your love heart, guys.
Well, no, it's split. Help. And there you have it, guys. Look at this beauty. Is it not the most perfect cheesecake that you have ever laid eyes on? And look at that glisten.
The most perfect you've ever laid eyes on? I don't know.
In my eyes it is.
I don't know.
I made this. This has got all of my love and care in it.
It looks lovely.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. If we've added any substance, please leave a like and a comment down below.
Like button.
And we shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.
But yeah, let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree, guys. Is pumpkin bland?